Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the device so the installation is safe and reliable. Enable unknown sources in settings so APKs can install. Make sure you allow package installer prompts. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and join a stable Wi-Fi network for downloads. Make a quick backup and note the exact device model and Android version because APK variants must match. These steps prevent brick devices and ensure you fetch the correct Google packages or alternative store APKs. Next, you download and install the core components that enable the Play Store. The order matters. Grab APKs that match your Android version, Google Services Framework, then Play Services, and any vendor-specific support. Install them one by one, granting permissions when prompted, and clear app caches between installs to avoid conflicts. Reboot the device after the frameworks finish installing. Then, install the Play Store APK. Doing it last lets it detect the newly installed services, so it signs you in and updates properly. To finish, open the Play Store and sign into your Google account. Allow updates to Play Services and Google Play Protect so apps work correctly. If the store won't open, make sure each APK matches your device architecture and Android level. Mismatches are the most common cause of failure. Once you've verified compatibility, reinstall in the proper sequence and reboot. If crashes persist, capture logs or boot to safe mode to isolate conflicts. Reset the device only after you've exhausted these targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.